Get fastest update on tech by tapping on subscribe and bell.
Hello everyone, we welcome you on OS Tech OS, your own technical channel. Today we are going to talk about all new announcement from Google, its newest chip, tensor chip. How good is this chip is? We are going to talk about this right now. The new Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro are finally official after months of leaks. One of the most noticeable details in these handsets is the presence of Google Tensor chip. Google have issued a blog post reportedly talking about the chipset. As like Apple, Google didn't released any specification details about Tensor chip. Some of leaked details from Engadget. This is a 5nm chipset, just like Qualcomm, Samsung, and Huawei are offering with their respective flagship phones. Some of its details are here. There is an ARM Mali G78 GPU. For now, we don't have exact number for this GPU, but we assume it has 20 cores. That is what the previous rumors have been suggested. The chipset has been co-engineered with Google Research, so these have some AI functionalities from direct Google Research team. Some of detailed functions are here for Titan M2 for security, and this is going to be a major new trend in chip making. Some functions for this chipset is too good. It has a live translation and live caption making tool which can be so power efficient that you are going to use these in a live management of text speech. If you are a privacy seeker, you are going to love this chipset. This chipset learns how to read the accurate face data and accurate voice recognitions, and it employing a Titan M2 module, which is the security core of Tensor. There is also the Trust Zone running Trusty OS. The search giant states that two new phones have more layers of hardware security than. Loving these article videos? Thanks for watching. Keep coming, like, subscribe, and share this video.